Tesla investor Gary Black tweeted out some interesting math Friday. He laid out his case for Tesla's market capitalization to climb to a whopping $4 trillion. It currently stands at about $900 billion. Electric vehicle penetration worldwide will be 60% by 2030, Black estimates. Tesla, ticker TSLA, will have a 20% EV share. With global light vehicle sales at 85 million units, Tesla would be delivering about 10 million vehicles a year by the end of the decade, according to Black. Black, who runs the Future Fund Active ETF, FFND, projects that those deliveries, along with service sales related to the existing fleet of Tesla vehicles, would earn the company $140 billion, or about $100 a share. He projects about 1.4 billion Tesla shares outstanding by the end of the decade, up from roughly 1 billion today. He puts a 30 price-to-earnings multiple to earnings of $100 a share, yielding a $3,000 price target. With 1.4 billion shares outstanding, that means Tesla's market capitalization would be north of $4 trillion. Unlocking beauty innovation through people power. How Shiseido's CEO is securing the next century of business for this 150-year-old company through a focus on talent. It sounds simple, but there are a lot of ifs. EV penetration 8 or 9 years from now is difficult to predict, although the auto industry seems to believe 40% or 50% of all new vehicles sold by then could be all electric. One thing we know for sure: $7 a gallon gasoline prices will significantly accelerate EV adoption, Black tells Barron's. He was referencing a picture of gasoline prices posted in California recently. Regular octane gasoline was $6.65 and 9/10 per gallon. Premium octane gasoline was about $7.26 a gallon. U.S. benchmark oil prices are at about $114 a barrel, up 6.1% Friday, and up almost 25% for the week. Tesla's profitability and market share can also be debated. So can the 30 P/E multiples. Traditional automakers trade at single-digit P/E multiples, but they grow slower than the overall economy. Black believes Tesla will still be growing at above market rates in 2030. It's a bullish outlook, but also somewhat conservative. A $3,000 stock in 2030 means that the stock will return roughly 17% a year on average for the next 8 years, but over the last 8 years, Tesla stock has returned about 42% a year on average. Black's near-term price target for Tesla stock is $1,600. That would be the highest on Wall Street if Black was publishing brokerage research. New Street research analyst Pierre Ferragu holds the current crown, with a $1,580 price target on Tesla stock. There are a lot of Tesla bears to consider as well. The average of the bottom 3 price targets is about $215 a share. If Tesla stock were to hit Black's price target in 6 to 12 months, and he is right about all the rest, Tesla investors would earn roughly 10% a year on average between 2023 and 2030. Whether that's an attractive enough of a return for Tesla shares is something else bulls and bears can debate. Tesla stock is at $842.45, up about 0.4% in late trading Friday. The S&P 500 and Dow Jones Industrial Average are down 1.3% and 1.2%, respectively.